Madam, this is a service matter. They
Yes.
tomorrow there will be a departmental exemption. I mentioned before the appropriate court will, but court did not allow my memo, for which I came before my election. If any other bench or they have to tomorrow they have to departmental exemption, and
Can be done.
only paper one is there, and I have to appear that exemption. Due to the demise of my wife, I couldn't able to appear that exemption.
Yes. For the matter.
Supplemental list. Item number 1.
8 kg man.
8 kg का yes. Mr. Dar.
8 kg man. 8 kg. 8 kg ganja.
You are in custody since when?
11, 12.
Are the land counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 11/12/2024, and the quantity of contraband ganja stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 8 kg, which is lesser than commercial quantity and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, not applicable. After hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 2.
My lord, 2/1/22, same petitioner, my lord, I pray let it, your lordship for the city, my lord. Your Maoist case, my lord.
You have not received the case diary?
No, press matter.
Item number
22, my lord.
2/1/22. Land counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary, so also obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner of this matter. Second week of January 2025.
Item 3.
My lord, pass up. Item 3. Pass up.
Yeah.
Passport.
Pass up.
Passport.
Kidnapping is there.
I am for the
Kidnapping.
information, my lord. I filed my Bhaklab on 20th, my lord, but my name has been reflected in the cause list.
Injury report is required because
What is
Previous
the
injury.
offense? What is the offense here?
Offense, my lord, 152, 141, 385. Abductions,
kidnapping or abduction in order to murder
Kidnapping?
or abduction in order to murder. That 140 BNS. That is preferred season.
You have not
115
received the case
voluntary
diary?
cause. No, sir.
So you are appealing for the informant?
information, my lord.
Before.
No, my lord. I have only filed on 20th, my lord.
Mr. Devendra Kumar Jha, Land Council, submits that he has filed Wakalatnama for the informant on 20th of December 2024. So let the registry place the same on record. The informant be reflected in the cause list and state. The Land Council for the state submits that is not having the case diary and he wants to obtain the same along with the instruction relating to criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner of this matter in the second week of January 2025.
Item 4.
On behalf of Mr. Raut, may I please your lordship? Lordship, the petitioner has been in custody since 19/10/2024. Offences are under section 103, clause 1 of BNS.
302 minus 103 as CD is required. 103. 109 is initially registered, subsequently succumbed to injury, converted to 109.
103.
You have not received the case diary?
No. Please matter.
Land Council for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary as well as to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petition. Second week of January 2025. Yes.
Published, Lordship.
Item 5.
Pardon me, Lord, I'm in VC. My Lord, this is a case of
302.
300.
Question of 302. The CD is required update CD and criminal lattice.
The Murthy case diary is not there, so it is to be taken up in the second week of January 2025.
Okay, my Lord, as your Lord.
Mr. T. N. Murthy and Council appearing to virtual High Court of Orissa, Jaipur. And Council for the state takes some time to obtain the case diary as well as to obtain instruction regarding criminal antecedent second week of January 2025. Yes.
Published.
Item 6.
It's a bail application by Sukumar Nayak. Petitioner is Sukumar Nayak. Already the application was rejected by the additional sessions judge Kuchanga. And here the
What are
petitioner
the
and the
offenses,
complainant,
madam?
they are cousin brothers. They belong to
No,
a
no.
similar
What are the offenses?
The offences are wrongful restraint under 126(2), voluntarily causing simple hurt by dangerous weapon, 118 of subsection 1, 296 obscene act and song, intimidation, and then attempt to murder under 109 of BNS.
So, who is the injured?
The injured person is Sushanta
Naik.
Sushant Naik. And
My lord.
you assaulted him with what weapon?
It's by way of a chopper. It's by way of a chopper, a
Chopper.
sharp cutting weapon.
And what injury has sustained?
Injury is the simple hurt,
Simple in nature.
simple in
Where
nature.
from you got it?
It's we.
Is it there in the rejection order?
From the section.
Well,
Does
I
the
have
injury
received-
report of the injured so that injured has sustained one laceration injury 12 cm over the left side face, which
Well,
was
we have
caused by means of sharp edged weapon, that is chopper.
Well, injury report is there.
Simple.
It's simple in nature, but two antecedents are there.
See, you are in custody since 8/11/24.
Offense weapon has been seized by the IU. No
And,
offense weapon has been seized by the IU.
What are those offenses under which?
In the antecedent manner.
Yeah.
Precedence has been the cases has been lost by the family member. It is a family dispute, civil long-standing family dispute. The victims, the victims were constructing chowra over
What
the
is your
Ismail
name,
land.
madam? What is your name?
Arunima Misra. Advocate Arunima Misra,
Hard Miss Arunima Misra,
my lord.
Land Counsel for the petitioner, Land Counsel for the
So there
state.
is a long-standing dispute.
Considering the submission made by the Land Counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 8/11/2024, and the injured. What is the name of the injured?
Sushanta Kumar Nayak.
Injured Sushanta Naik has sustained an injury which is stated to have been inflicted with chopper, but the doctor has opined the same to be simple in nature. And after hearing the land counsel for the state who submitted that the petitioner has got two criminal antecedents, and for the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that those cases arise out of family dispute, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 7.
अच्छी
Case diary.
case diary of criminal antecedent announced of second week of January 2025. So,
Item 9.
Pardon, Lordship, I am in BC. Allegation under section 310, subsection 4, 310, subsection 5 of BNS Act. Accused in custody since 15/11/2024. The prosecution story said that while the informant and their team conducting night patrolling near Tomado village area, he received a reliable information that some youth are preparing commit dacoity near Calling residential area. Present petitioner in this
case
case.
of preparation of committing dacoity and assembling for the purpose of committing dacoity, right?
Yes.
So you are in custody since when?
15/11/2020.
And how many criminal antecedents you have got?
One antecedent there.
Are the current counsel for the petitioner? What is your good name?
Ronalisha Pradhan.
Sonalisha Pradhan, counsel at Cleveland. Virtual High Court that Bhubaneswar. Considering the submission that his petitioner is in custody since 15/11/2024 and the seizure list indicate and seizure of one knife and one mobile from the possession of the petitioner, and for the submission that materials available on record do not constitute the ingredients of the offense, and after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner and bail allowed.
Obliged.
Item 10.
May I please? 64(2)(m
Yes,
of the BNS and 6 post command.
So,
Notice.
extra copy to be served. Notice अन्य matter target କହିଥିଲି सेटा further CT 164 medical exemption report second week of January 2025 confirmation letter.
Obliged.
Yes.
Item 11.
May I please? Offense under 20B 2B of NDPS Act 5 kgs custody since 4/12/2024.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state 4/12/2024 5 kg na 5 kg of contraband ganja lesser than commercial quantity allowed.
Obliged.
Item 12.
Bar under section 37 not applicable.
Petitioner is in custody since 28/10/2024. Matter is relating to 318(4), 319, 66, 66D of Information Technology Act. Yeah, relating to the cyber crime ownership. Is
there necessary?
That's how put it down.
What run counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary as well as to obtain instruction about the criminal antecedent second week of January 2025. All right.
Item 13.
Lordship charge sheet filed offense under section 64(1), 71, 351(2), 318(2) BNS. Custody since 30/9/2024 Lordship. 64, 376 euros.
So have you got the case diary?
Alert.
Acha.
Lordship, incident took place on 23/9/2024.
No, you serve a copy notice has to go.
Box on
Extra copy and notice CD has already been received, including 164.
164.
And medical exemption.
medical exemption deny କରିଦେଇଛି।
अच्छा केते वर्ष केते
38 years
कौन कहूची
आशा कर्मी
देखिए
Main allegation is under 109 of the BNS matter. Lordship may kindly peruse the operating part of the rejection order. There is a dispute with regard to some monetary transaction between the husband of the informant and the present petitioner, my lord. The injury is simple. It is reflected in the rejection order. Page
31
ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଘରେ ପଶିଲେ ପୁଅକୁ ନେଇଗଲେ ତାକୁ ବାଡେଇଲେ
31
137(2) also kidnapping.
statement ବି record ହେଇଯିବ
137
4 ବର୍ଷ 9 ବର୍ଷ
137 kidnapping
137(2), 74, 115(2), 127, 109, 351, 2, 354.
No, she didn't.
70 okay 715
323.
okay
127 is 340. And 109 is 307.
363 টা এটা কিডন্যাপিং নয় এটা অ্যাবডকশন টা
109 so 351 তো হয়
506.
351 2 টা 506 নন বেলেবল ହେଲା 307 ଆଉ 506 109 351 2.
So who is the injured in this case?
The injured is the son of the informant. It is reflected at page 12 lordship में kindly करूँ page 12 last but upper paragraph में material so far placed by the prosecution
My photo
last ro just upper paragraph टा page 12
yes.
yes the material so far placed by the prosecution revealed that as if the husband of the informant had taken some money to work in the weaving mill of the petitioner, and that is the dispute. And further allegation that the minor son of the informant was physically assaulted and ultimately abducted and confined by the petitioner. The forwarding report of the investigating officer and the FIR revealed that he was rescued by police. This prima facie makes out a case under 143 of the BNS. Investigation progress. Besides the injury report of the victim, ତା ପର ପେଜରେ କହିଲେ ଯେ prima facie revealed that the minor boy was assaulted on the vital organ of his body in the premises. The case of 109 of BNS is also prima facie made out, despite the fact that the injuries sustained by him, the son of the informant, are simple in nature.
You are in custody since then.
My lord, the petitioner was arrested on 2/12/2024 on the day of the affair.
There is 14 years.
Are the London Council for the petitioner and counsel for the state. The London Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 2/12/2024, and though the main offense alleged against the petitioner is one under section 109 of the BNS, but the injured Biplab Mahanti, who is the minor son of the informant, has sustained simple injuries, and it is stated that he was kidnapped by the petitioner, but he was rescued by the police on the very same day.
Yes, same day.
On the same day, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Both of you are co-villagers.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ dispute ପଇସା କୁ ନେଇକି dispute
that since the petitioner and the informant are villagers, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state oppose the bail.
It belongs to the Nishchand Quill.
Yeah. Petition instant बोला ना
ସେ ରହୁଛି
यार कैसे की यार कोटी करा ये लोकड़ा
They belong to the Nishant School District Cutoff.
ये लोकड़ा कोटी करा complainant
Mahakapda, the
अच्छा वो villager काटी दिया that due to previous dispute between the party the case has been quashed and council for the state opposed the prayer for case considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, nature of accusation against the petitioner, nature of injury sustained by the injured, Viplab Mohanty, and progress of investigation. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that the petitioner shall not indulge in any criminal activities or try to tamper with the evidence and appear before the investigating officer Ajan when required for the purpose of investigations, also in the court at the time of trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Item 15.
Offense under section 20B of NDPS Act.
4 kg ganja.
4 quantity of ganja is 4 kg and
4 kg 330 grams. What is your name? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନାଁ କଣ? ଆଁ?
ଦୀପଙ୍କ ପଙ୍ଗାର।
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ? କାଉନସିଲଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଲେଖିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। କାଗଜ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Hard Miss Land Council for the petitioner, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since kept well in
2 months. 2 months.
କେବେଠୁ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ରହିଲେଣି?
Date.
ହଁ
10 November 2020.
10th November 2024. The quantity of ganja seed is 4 kg 330 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner from the allowed. Yes.
Item 16.
Lordship, my lord, offense under 310 and BNS read with your 25 R marks. My lord, FIR law against unknown person. My lord, custody since 13/24 ଗୋଟେ କେନ୍ଦୁ ଗୋଦାମରୁ my lord କେନ୍ଦୁପତ୍ର ନେଇଗଲେ ଗାଡିର ମାଲିକ ଇଏ ନଥିଲା ସେ ଜାଗାରେ। TI pad not identified in this case in present prisoner. ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ TI pad identified ହେଇନି। ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ କୋର୍ଟରେ ସେମ୍ ବେଞ୍ଚରେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ କେସ୍ 21 ରେ ଅଛି ହିୟରିଂ ପାଇଁ 21/24।
310 BNS Act, case date has not been received.
Wherefrom you got that you have not been identified in the TI parade?
Yes, my lord.
କୋଉଠୁ ପାଇଲେ? ଅଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠି?
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ my lord ସେ କହିଛି ଜେଲରୁ ଫୋନ କଲା କହିଲା।
ଜେଲରୁ ଫୋନ କରି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଦେଲା?
ତାଙ୍କର ଅଲଗା ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ମାନଙ୍କର ଅଛି ସେମ୍ ବେଞ୍ଚରେ 21/24 ରେ ହିୟରିଂ ଅଛି। BLPL 12418/24, BLPL 12735/24, BLPL 12000
TI parade report ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ?
ନାହିଁ ନାହିଁ।
Oh, awesome. It's nice.
No, my lord. No, my lord.
The Land Council for the state took some time to produce the case diary, and also to obtain instruction about the criminal antecedent, if any. The Land Council for the state shall obtain specific instruction as to any test identification parade has been conducted
My lord.
in respect of the petitioner or not. And if conducted, the TI parade reports will be produced on the next date, second week of January 2025.
Item 17.
On behalf of Mr. Divedi, that under section 483 corresponding to 395 IPC. 395 IPC. 395. And yesterday your lordship has granted bail by BLPL number
12691 by 2024. Co-accused has already been released on bail.
ଗତକାଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା 12,691
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଖିଲ? Thirty one केस डायरी ପାଇଁ କଣ ରହିଛି?
केस डायरी आजकल केस मत दिया
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର?
12,691.
This matter along with 12,000
Tag.
କେତେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଅଛି ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଥିବ ସେଇ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ରଖିଦେବ ନା?
It is been posted for 17th January. Obliged.
Item 18.
18 manner case and counter case. There is no criminal antecedent, and due to one Kartik Swara Hosadu, there is injury report is also available. There is no injury informant is injured minor, and that about case and counter case only 1307 minor, 307 and 294, 323, 341 and 34 IPs minor.
Yes, just a minute. 126, it is wrongful restraint. 117, voluntarily purging hot. 115, voluntarily purging hot. 109. Attempt to commit murder. 296. Also 351. Criminal intimidation. 3534. Yes, what is the allegation against you?
There is no specific allegation. For against 12 person, only 7 to 8 person was come. 12 person came, and I am reading the FIR Annex 11. ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ କୁନୁ ଆପୁଲ ଚଗଲା ରାଣୀ ଏବଂ ବବୁଲୁ ଚିଲୁ ଓ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଆସି କୁଲୁକୁ ହଠାତ୍ ଏକ ଠେଙ୍ଗା ଧରି ମୋତେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କଲେ ଏବଂ ମାରପିଟ କଲେ ଏବଂ ମୋର ସ୍ୱାଇଁକୁ ବେହେରାକୁ ମୋ ଭାଇ ବେହେରାକୁ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ କୁଲା ଏବଂ ଦୀପୁ ଠେଙ୍ଗା ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କଲେ ସମୟରେ ଅଭଦ୍ର ଭାଷାରେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କରୁଥିଲେ। Informant is the injured.
The victim brother of the informant submitted by the IO in which the doctor has opined injuries to be grievous in nature. And injuries are on the vital part of the body.
I have collected the certified copy of the injury report also.
Fine.
Not I am appearing on the informant.
Co-accused person also granted anticipatory bail. I have anticipatory bail also. I have annexed Annex 3 also.
Injured or not?
Injured my lord.
There are two injured.
Two injured. Informant and his brother.
One Kiran Kumar Behera, the brother of the informant, has the grievous head injury.
Achha.
And the informant has simple injury. And all the accused persons have 10 antecedents that
no criminal antecedent.
Yes, criminal antecedent were produced before the learning sessions.
All the
10 and 110 also is there.
No. These three petitioners. Another co-accused who has rejected, he has not approached the court below. These three petitioners has no criminal antecedent. No, my lord.
Where from you got that he has got 10 criminal antecedents?
The report CD produced before the learned sessions judge.
Not
reflected at least in the
rejection.
Rejection order is something that kichi lekha hai how apanakara.
But the injured Kiran Kumar Behera has received the grievous head injury.
No, that is yes. जिनस अच्छी कहतु जो जिनस नहीं खाली सबमिशन है फ्रॉम द पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर दैट प्राइम ऑफिसर केस इज मेड आउट ये कार्तिकेश्वर भसाणी बेले गंडगोल होता बोली कहते को साई भितर है
Mangala Sai and the
आपणकर को साई
Mangala Sai.
ଆଉ
ଆମ
ସେ
ସାହି ଭିତରେ ଭସାଣି ଯାଉଥିଲେ so I am also
ଆଉ injured ର କୋଉ ସାହି
minor.
injured ହଉଛନ୍ତି ବଡ ବଜାର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ସାହି କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ ଚୌଦ୍ୱାର କଟକ
case counter case running page 15 and he injured the
Land
discharge.
counsel for the petitioners, land counsel for the state, land counsel for the informant. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that it is a case and counter case and the occurrence in question took place during the immersion ceremony of goddess God Kartikeshwar. And there are two injured persons in this case, namely Likun Behera, who was sustained a bruise on the eye, which has been opined to be simple in nature, and one Kiran Kumar Behera was sustained a head injury, which has been opined to be grievous in nature. He has been
Discharged from Shendy.
and the injured Kiran Behera has been discharged from the hospital. Is quite hell and happy, and after hearing the land counsel for the informant, land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Next.
But condition may be perfect.
I shall not try to tamper with the evidence and shall not indulge in any criminal activity. Here before the land trial court on each date, which the case will be set for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall enter cancellation of bail.
Obligation.
Item 19.
And please, Your Lordship. 52 Excise Act of 3 in contradictions.
Custodians के बेटू
3/12/2024
कौन बाहर
560 liters of liquor and 3430 liters of pocho was there, and while seeing the excise officials, he tried to escape by a scooty. That is the allegation made. And having two numbers of antecedents,
Two antecedents.
final PR has already been submitted.
यार दीटा भी सही टाइप रो केस
Again.
Athagada station
टाइप रो opportunity of hard the land and counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the land and counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 3/12/2024. Offense was triable by magistrate, and after hearing the land counsel for the state, he submitted that the petitioner has got two criminal acts of similar nature. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that and final PR has been submitted. Will you work for your court? The counsel for petitioner that he shall appear before the IAC of ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉ ଥାନାରେ
Tigiriya ଥାନା.
IAC of Tigiriya police station ହେଲା once in a week for 3 months on Sunday 10 to 4 ହେଲା
Item 20.
May I please your lordship? Note here the offences alleged are under section 341, 323, 326, 307, 386, 387 and 34 of IPC, my lord. As per the FIR on the alleged date, the petitioner along with other FIR named accused persons enter inside the shop premises of the informant and asked for dadavati and further assaulted one of the employee of the informant, namely Sandeep Padhi, my lord. And as per my humble submission, in the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted, and I am in custody since 15/6/2024, your lordship. And by virtue of orders passed by this honorable court in two anticipatory bail applications, other co-accused persons have been granted bail by the learned court below.
Perhaps you are the main person who has
My lord,
The main accused and 5
that
criminal entities.
Amit Das and Gaurav Ponda, as per the allegation in the affair, present petitioner, that is Amit Das and one Gaurav
what
Ponda.
about the sustained?
5 criminal antecedents and super
No,
injury.
no, injury कौन कोठी है लो?
Injury, let's see, I do have only 4 previous injuries are there.
Left forearm, left hand.
14 injury sustained, but
14टा injury, 5टा criminal antecedent.
My lord.
That is Learning Council for
And grievous in nature.
State submits that the petitioner has got 5 criminal antecedents. And the injured has sustained 14 injuries, including 5 grievous injuries.
like
Five
4 previous.
4 grievous injuries. Plus over the fracture ହେଇଥିବ. Left forearm, left ear, left scalp ରେ ଅଛି. The Learning Council for the state shall also obtain the health condition of the injured. Put up this matter in the second week of March. Let a electric injury report file taken on letter. Yes. Comprehensive affidavit কথা লিখতে about the status of those 5 cases, 5 criminal antecedents. Yes.
Item 21.
Maybe lordship. My lord, in this case, the option under section 52A Orissa Excise Act and 111 of BNS. The 20 liters of ID liquor and
20 liter ID liquor, 12 criminal antecedent.
12টা criminal antecedent.
Of
The-
similar nature, almost all the
Learning
except
Council
2.
for the state has pointed out from the case record. Would lecha is rejection order?
No, no, case diary as instruction.
Okay, acha. Received instruction that there are as many as
12
criminal antecedents against the
10
petitioner,
similar.
and 10 out of which 10 are similar in nature. Let the Learning Council for the petitioner obtain instruction about the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to this. I'll put up this matter in the second week of January 2025. Yes.
Item 23.
302 case diary requirement.
Put at 23.
I am for the petitioner, sir. This is case registered under section 103 subsection 1 95 80 subsection 1 of BNS.
Case diary asini anant.
Now the charge sheet is submitted in the meantime.
And 2 criminal antecedent also, it is reflected in the case diary.
You get the case diary and criminal antecedent, if any, and matter will be listed in the second week of January 2025. Hello? Yes.
Item 24.
My lord, on behalf of H.K. Mahanta, due to non-appearance of the petitioner, NBW was issued against him. By virtue of said NBW, the petitioner arrested.
You were on bail during trial?
Yes, my lord.
When you were granted bail? After being released on bail, he managed to abscond. Achha. For the last time on 18th, one to accuse a non-bailable warrant of 18/1/2024.
376D. 376D.
No, he has been granted
Yes,
bail.
notice to require.
Belgium format is a Belgium town. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ୟା ଯାହା ଦେଖଉଛି 8/18/2024 ରେ non-bailable warrant of arrest issue ହେଲା ଆଉ ସେ arrest ହେଇଛି 9/11/2024 ରେ ନୁହେଁ କି rejection order. Had the Learning Council for the petitioner, Learning Council for the state. Learning Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was on bail and he was regularly taking steps, but due to non-taking of steps on 9/11/2024, 18/1/2024, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him, by virtue of which he was arrested on 9/11 2024 बाकी सब बेल्जियम फॉर्मेट रे करी अलाउ करते yes
May I please? My lord, in this bill application, the petitioner is in custody since 24/10/2024. It is a consensual in nature. Only because of
76 case diary is not there, notice is required.
notice,
extra copy to be served
notice to victim.
notice to
Then I'm important.
CD
I add kari
criminal antecedent अच्छा 164 टा आनिबे
My lord,
medical
injury.
examination report
medical officer he has bluntly declined.
आनिबे से जहां
Again.
Our confirmation letter regarding service
of
of notice on informant. है ना?
Should I implement the informant as a part?
Not necessary.
I will kindly specify.
Second week of सब गुड़ा रही second week of January 2025 रे रही है ना?
The second week is actually list.
हाँ?
Should I specific date?
आप सुन रहे हैं?
Yeah, regular bench.
All right, that's all. Wish you all Merry Christmas. Enjoy.
Obliged.